Hi, today in front of me POCO M5 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app and this device. So first let's open Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click here to open the app, tap yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now we can see here information about the health of our battery, and in my case it's good. So also we can find here more information like the battery temperature, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.